We're in the concierge lounge having breakfast. Oh my god, there's so many choices. But it's kind of crowded, so I didn't get a video of the buffet. So many choices. Good morning, it's Sunday. We just had the Continental breakfast, and now we are off to Epcot. The festival technically doesn't open till 11. Since it's 9:30, we're gonna run over to Living with the Land, my favorite ride, and then just walk around taking pictures before it's time to eat again. Did I mention this is all about eating? Actually, today is the concert, so I'm very excited about that. Blues game. I'm not excited about that. Oh my god, the Blues. They have to win tonight. They have to win tonight. So, we'll see. Anyway, we're almost to the gate. Alright, this is the main entrance for the Flower Festival. And I'm gonna see if there's anything I can't live without. Gift wise. Yeah. I like this shirt, I just don't want to pink top. I need a little sleeve. Real quick for it and handbag. 25% off. Oh, there's the gift card. Do I want an orange? Or do I want a strawberry? Are you hiding from me?
I'm waiting for you to get done.
Or do you, I'm gonna get the gift card. Should I get an orange or a strawberry?
Get an orange. And a strawberry.
What's that one? That one looks really good, whatever that one was.
That one got rained on last night.
That one got rained on. I'm gonna get an orange.
Get an orange. We're in Florida, right?
Yeah, I'm gonna get an orange. Alright, we gotta get a frozen violet lemonade. Alright, our first drink of the day is a violet lemonade with an edible flower. It's love bug season, so Robert's getting attacked by love bugs. I don't really want to eat it. You eat it. You tell me what it tastes like. What does it taste like? Grass?
Flowery goodness.
It does not. What's it taste like?
Chicken? I don't know.
Chicken.
I don't know. It doesn't taste like anything.
It doesn't taste like anything?
It tastes like a flower. You know what I mean?
This lemonade is very, very good though.
I don't know how to explain it. It just tastes like a flower.
Alright.
However you imagine a flower, it's not bitter.
I don't imagine eating flowers, so I wouldn't know the answer to that. I need this for my backyard
like
too. It tastes like that. The drink is very good. Alright, second stop. This is a garden salad, a beet salad. Those are beets. I don't know what she said that was. My husband asked if they were crickets.
Roasted quinoa.
Roasted quinoa. They are not crickets.
I thought it was crickets.
I will not eat crickets, sorry. I'm willing to try a lot of stuff.
Some grass.
Some grass, dirt. But anyway, it looks delicious. And this is the right when you do the pathway to the right of the main entrance.
Flavorful kitchen.
Flavorful kitchen. This is the one we tried last night, but they sold out. Or we were going to try last night, but they sold out. And Robert's going to eat the flower. Go ahead.
Why am I the
I
designated
don't
flower
want to eat
eater?
the flower.
You're going to ask me what it tastes like too,
I
aren't you?
am. What does it taste like? And where are we supposed to eat it?
It's on the plate. It's got to be.
That's true. Here's an apple for you.
It's not as delightful as the violet.
It's not as delightful as the violets. Good to know. Alright, this is the garden right next to this food place. I just wanted to show you these peppers up here. My dad grows peppers this big. Isn't that cool? I know, I'm trying to place the song. I'm not even paying attention because I'm trying to place the song.
Magicians use
It's like Flight of the Bumblebee or something, maybe?
No. It's a saber dance or something.
Get off me! Okay, sorry.
It's a saber dance? No, it's something. Saber dance?
I'm showing you. It's Flight of the Bumblebee.
That is not Flight of the Bumblebee. Flight of the Bumblebee. It's not.
You're about ready to sing it.
I was.
was recording.
Very close.
Come on, sing it for us. Alright, my husband was right. It is the saber dance. By who is it by?
I can't pronounce his name.
Some Russian name.
Khachaturian.
Topiaries. My husband knows his music. His wife does not. So it is Cinco de Mayo Day. So the Mexican Pavilion is getting ready to open, and apparently they're doing the Macarena. Officially Macarena is not Mexican, but it's just an American invention.
No, they were doing that back in the early 1600s.
The Macarena, yeah, I'm sure they were.
Drinking their spicy chocolate drink.
Now the horde goes into the Mexican Pavilion.
I'm pretty sure if they did a traditional Mexican song, nobody would understand.
I'm pretty sure. What is that drink? Look at that fruity.
Say, what you drinking, man?
No, I don't want to be one of those people. What you drinking, man? I need a drink.
I think that's a tricolor frozen margarita.
Tricolor frozen margarita. It is hot. I didn't mention how hot it is. Look at that line for margaritas. It is hot. We're gonna go inside and see if they're doing anything special for the Mayo Day.
They're giving something away free.
Alright. This is the line to get into the tequila bar. Apparently they expected a long line because they put a taped line marking thing. And I don't know why they're not open. We're trying to decide how bad we want a margarita.
It's siesta time. It's 11.
Open up. This line is crazy long. Alright, there are topiaries. I don't remember seeing these yesterday. So I guess you can grow your own. Oh my god. $50. They're a little expensive. Way expensive. We were thinking about getting one until we saw they were $50. You gotta keep it new. Do you want to get a frame and try to do it at home?
No, because I can't do it. They do.
Yeah, I don't have a green thumb. No topiaries for us, but they sure look cool.
They're neat. I like the monkey. And the pig's cute.
It's cute. Alright, since the line for margaritas is way too long, we decided to go for a Bloody Mary instead. We'll go back to the tequila bar tomorrow on a Monday when it's not so busy. Look at that, there's a beef stick in it.
It
and
does.
shrimp. And olives. I'll take the shrimp, you have the beef stick.
You can have the
That's that.
celery.
Thank you. Lizards, very rare sighting in Florida. Is that what it is? So, change of plans. We left Epcot. It was just kind of busy for Sunday. I don't know. We weren't that hungry. All that free food. Probably.
Where are you going?
This path. You don't want the service road. We're working at Hollywood Studios to see if they have any new popcorn buckets. I saw someone with an R2-D2 yesterday, and Robert may think I have that one, but I don't.
I'm positive you have them all.
I don't have the R2-D2. I got him in a cup, like that had a drink in it, like a slushie at Hollywood Studio or at Magic Kingdom a couple years ago. But I definitely don't have a popcorn bucket of that one. But maybe they'll have something else. So my foot is not hurting yet, so I'm like, let's walk. It's a little cloudy. It might rain. So this is the walkway we like. They have a friendship boat that takes you to Hollywood Studios too, but I want to walk as long as I can. And what?
We don't need any new friendships.
We don't need any new friendships. No friendship boats for us. So anyway, we're walking through this place. Look at the pretty lily pads that have flowers. That's the swan and dolphin. That's my crabby husband. Go away. Very funny. This walk is nice because it has a nice breeze right now. Looking for alligators. Never seen alligator just in the wild like this.
The Wild.
Is this the Wild? Is Disney? Okay, we've never seen it.
Yes,
I can't say I've never seen alligators. Never seen them at Disney.
We did it at the airport.
We did it, yeah. But that, I mean, that was from a monorail. Is that really?
We saw him.
That's true, we saw him.
It's not like he was at the zoo.
And remember at Sanibel?
Yeah.
We saw alligators at
We
Sanibel.
did. Remember we got close to him.
No, it was a little spooky. Right.
He was small.
He was small.
But the small ones are fast. That's one thing I forgot.
For sure, they all do damage.
They do.
Whether they're small or big. That's another good movie. The original Lake Placid. That's a good one. The 20 billion remakes. 20 billion remakes is pretty bad. But the original Lake Placid is the best. The one with Will Ferrell. And what is that girl's name? I can't remember. Brit, something Fonda. Something Fonda. Oh, look at that bird. Jane Fonda's daughter. What was her name? Jane Fonda's daughter? What was her name?
I don't know.
She was an actress in the 90s.
Jane Fonda's a traitor.
Okay, we're not doing political debates right now. I'm just talking about good 90s movies. Lake Placid. You know, the one with the big alligators?
Yeah, I saw it.
It was a good one.